Hi guys. So today astrology forecast for the following week, December 20, December 26. So I will call this week like a fight between new and old. Why? Because on this week we have square the negative aspect between Saturn and Uranus. It's not first time in this year. Actually, all this year we call like fight between old and new, because several times we did have this aspect on the sky, and we continue to have it in the next year, 2022. However, on this week we have exactly this aspect, so we will feel it more. So this week, guys, be careful if you work with electricity or any electrical stuff, so gadgets or some machines, so just be careful. Be careful if you work on height with ladder, so just don't fall down for any reason. Guys, take care of this. Also, if you live in a cold area where the winter already, ice, snow, so be careful on roads, be careful when you just walking, pay attention, because it could be like fall down or something unpleasant. But keep going through the days and talk about like the day where we have some important aspects. So Monday, December 20, we do have very good aspect between Mercury and Uranus. So on this day, let's say this is day of insights. So expect to find out something important, something new, or maybe you will have some ideas in your head that you can implement in future, or like it's supposed to work good for you. So if you work this, let's say this science or something, it's very good. Also, any paperwork, especially if you start something new, for example, you sign a new contract or you do some new partnership, these days very good to do that. Also, if you are gonna to buy some new gadgets or something, let's say new technologies, this is day very good, like to buy, to purchase. It's supposed to work good for you and to work long period time and to bring benefits. So don't lose this day for to purchase gadgets, or for example to fix them, or wherever, if you work these papers, these contracts. So this day works good for us. Keep going to Tuesday, December 21st, and this day our sun making transition to Capricorn sign. And if I talk to you already in my month forecast, we can start to plan ahead, because when the sun is in Capricorn, we put the goals for us which are real and which we can reach, so just start to plan, start I don't know, you write it or wherever, so we can do that wherever the sun goes through Capricorn, and we can start already on this Tuesday. However, on this day we have the moon without aspects. So guys who just recently joined my forecasts, this is information for you. What is it, moon without aspect? It means moon changing the sign. Moon does this every second day, and while it's changing the sign, sometimes it doesn't make any aspect with other planet. So in astrology, if the planet doesn't make any aspect, it means there is no action. So if you start any new business or deal while the moon is unaspected, it means don't expect some continuous this deal. So for example, you want to start something and you make an important call on this time while the moon has no aspects. It means don't expect to get any result. So I advise, don't make any important calls, emails, or like start something new while moon is unaspected. But we can use this time to finish something. So let's say you need to send your papers to tax authorities, and you don't want they come back with some, let's say, mistakes or issues or wherever. So if you want to send something and didn't have any answer back, so do this while the moon is unaspected. So to, let's say, to finish relationship, to finish some business, like you want to, like for example, you do some paperwork and you want to finish them forever. So finish them while the moon is unaspected. So on Tuesday, December 21st, we do have this moon without any aspect, Eastern time, guys, from 9:30 a.m. till 5 p.m. So almost all work day. So try start something new before 9:30 or already after 5. Guys who live in other middle time or West Coast time, please count your difference. So from 9:30 a.m. till 5 p.m. Eastern time, USA. So we keep going, and on Wednesday and Thursday we do not have any let's say important aspect, just regular days. And on this Friday, December 24, we do have negative aspect between Saturn and Uranus. As I told you already at the beginning, so just be careful, guys, on this day. Also, we can feel that we need something new, we need some change, we need I don't know, wherever, this day is gonna be very tense, and we can feel tense inside, or we can have some circumstances around us which make us nervous or just very intensive. However, wherever they want to change, Saturn makes for us some problems, let's say some words around us, so it doesn't let us go forward, doesn't let us do something new. So expect some problems and some issues, like wherever it can connect with any sphere in your life. So just remember about that and be careful on this day, and we all pass through this, and it's just like aspect, and we do have to go through this. Yeah. Also, expect some delays, some maybe traffic jams, or or let's say you plan something but it has some issues now and you cannot go forward. So it's not only Friday is very tense, but it's all about all this week. And we go forward, we go to Saturday, December 25th, and on this day we do have conjunction between retro Venus and Pluto. We already did have this aspect on December 11, and but we can say this aspect influence on us all December, and it's gonna be finished on January 4th. Then Venus leave like Pluto alone. So this aspect is very important for women because Venus is a women planet, and we ladies can have the tense time, especially inside of us. Something is changing, and we cannot stop it, you know. And sometimes it can go like outside, yes, and let's say ladies can have more men habits on this time. So be more tense, be more maybe want something very much. So, and it's influence people around us. So try relax more, try to get more women energy than men energy, and keep in mind that this aspect are gonna come back on March 22nd already. So maybe some situation which starts in December can make continue or can just be ended already in March. It can be about like any women, it can be about beauty stuff, it can be about money, investment, and also love and relationship. So wherever it touches you guys, just keep in mind and try to remember that this December and March are gonna be very important about what I just said to you. And Sunday, December 26th, we do have very positive aspect between Mercury and Neptune. It means some information comes up. Let's say the information that was we didn't know before, you know, or probably we tried to get it but we couldn't. Also these days very good for people who work these papers and did have some mistakes there, some misunderstandings, for example accountants maybe, or who work these taxes or wherever, and you did have, let's say, something wrong. So come back to these papers on Sunday. You're supposed to find your mistakes or resolve the issue which did you have. Also on this day is very good to purchase some chemical stuff or medicine, wherever it can be, some, let's say, like cleaning stuff or vitamins, wherever like connects these chemicals. Also it's good to purchase some art stuff if you want to decorate something. I know it's already like Christmas, but wherever maybe we will have some good discounts for decorations and it's nice to purchase. Also, if you go for your vacation and you visit ocean or sea or wherever, lake, like some water, it's very good to visit on Sunday and just to get the energy from the water. We also do have Unaspected Moon on Sunday, and Eastern Time USA. This is 3:30 a.m. till 11:30 a.m. So guys, if you start anything new, start it after 11:30. And if you want to finish something, or let's say you have some problem with your gadgets, or with your purchases and you want to return it or use your warranty, so do this before 11:30 a.m. It's supposed to go through very smoothly. So guys, this is my advices for this following week. I repeat again, expect it's very tense because we do have two aspects on this week between Saturn and Uranus, which make some, let's say, problem for us, and also Venus and Pluto makes it very tense. So guys, try to relax, try to spend this week with your family, and stay calm wherever circumstances go around you. Just try to remember about my forecast and take it easy. See you guys. Have a good Christmas.